What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about application not responding Windows 11. We'll tell you how you can fix if any of the application you have on your PC, if it's not responding properly, then what are the steps you have to opt and what are the options you need to choose. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. First, click on start icon, click on settings. In setting you have to scroll it down, you'll see troubleshoot, click on it. Here click on other troubleshooters. Scroll it down. You'll see Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Click on Run. Here it will start detecting, and from here on this page you'll see select the program you're having problem with. If your program is not listed in here, then you can add it in this list. If you have a selected programs, means third-party application installed on your Windows 11 PC, then you'll see most of them in here. Some of them are Microsoft as well, so you can select the application in which you have a problem. For an example, if I choose Microsoft Edge, or let's go with the Google Chrome. Select it and click on next. Here it will show you two options: try recommended setting, troubleshoot programs. Select the option to choose compatibility setting based on problems you notice. Let's go with try recommended settings, as we want to check if there is any kind of problem with Google Chrome or not. Once you click on recommended setting, you can see it says setting applied to Google Chrome, Windows compatibility mode, Windows 8. You need to test the program to make sure these new settings fix the problem before you can click next to continue. Let's click on test the program. As you can see, Google Chrome is coming up properly. Let's search something on Google Chrome. Alright, it's coming up properly. Let's close it and let's click next. Here you can see three options: yes, save this setting for this program; no, try again using different setting; no, report the problem to Microsoft and check online for a solution. I would like to go with yes, as it's working perfectly fine and my problem is fixed, which was in the Google Chrome as it was not opening up properly. So let me click on yes, save this setting for this program. It's gonna take some time. Alright, it says incompatibility program fixed and I can see the tick as well. Alright, that's all I want to do to fix this issue, as I was facing a problem that Google Chrome application was not responding properly on my Windows 11, so it's fixed. If I open a Google Chrome, if I search anything like youtube.com/eTechniz, the channel name, let's see if it comes up. Yeah, you can see that it's coming up properly now. So it's working perfectly fine on my Windows 11 PC. So that's how you have to fix application not responding Windows 11. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.